Hello and welcome to my video lesson 3.2, finding the trig ratio. So in the last video we looked at the actual trig ratios. This time we're looking at finding the trig ratio itself instead of finding a side or finding an angle. So sometimes instead of finding an angle, we're asked to find the trig ratio. So this is what it could look like. Find sine A. So here are two example questions. You can try them out right now if you're ready to go, but I'm going to do the first one, and then I recommend pausing the video and trying the second one for yourself. Okay, so this is sine A. When we talk sine A, we're talking this angle here that I've marked in red. That's what we're looking for. If that's what we're looking for, we have to line up just like before our hypotenuse, our opposite side, and our adjacent side. Now, in this case, since we have SOHCAHTOA, we are looking for the SO part because we have sine. So we're going to cross out ka and cross out toa, and we're just going to use SO, which means that we are looking for sine of A equals opposite of A, which is 4, over hypotenuse of A, which is 5. So 4 over 5. We can leave it like that as a fraction, or depending on how the question is worded, we may have to give a decimal answer. So this is what it would look like. Okay, I recommend pausing the video now and trying it for yourself. Here is part B. So same sort of thing again. We're looking for sine A. So this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. We do not care about the adjacent because it is sine of A. So sine of A equals 5 over 13. Okay, which we could check in our calculator. 5 divided by 13 equals 0.385. 0.385. Okay, here are another two versions of this. Perhaps you're asked to solve for the angle, and we have these trig ratios given to us. So here we have the trig ratio given to us instead of being given the actual triangle. So all I recommend you do is opposite operators. So you take cos -1 of that one and of this one. I know that's kind of ugly. But what that does is it gets rid of the cos on the left side. So we have A equals cos -1 of 0.567, which we can then simply plug into our calculator. And I'm going to use my fraction button. I really like using that. Oh, actually, not the fraction button because it's just a decimal. In the next one, I'll use the fraction button just because I love using that. But anyways, this one gives us 55.5 degrees. Okay, and then this next one is the same sort of thing. Take tan -1 on one side, tan -1 on the other side. Those two cancel. We're left with A equals tan -1 of 4 over 3, which gives us tan -1 of 4 over 3. Always finish the brackets, even though it doesn't really matter in this case. Just get used to that habit. 53.1 degrees, I believe it was. Yes. All right. That is finding a trig ratio. I hope this video helped you better understand this lesson, and good luck, everyone.